Good morning, children. Hope you are well. Today, we will be doing the first topic in English, and it's a poem. Now, children, can you tell me what do you see in this picture? What is the man walking on? He's walking on a bridge over a river. So today's poem is called Bridge. Let us read this poem together. Repeat after me, children. Boats sail on the rivers, and ships sail on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please. But the bow that bridges heaven and overtops the trees and builds a road from earth to sky is prettier far than these. And this poem is written by Christina Rossetti. Now let us understand this poem, children. Boats sail on the rivers, and ships sail on the seas. If you look at the first picture, it's a picture of a boy sailing his boat, and the boat is sailing on the river. So children, because the river is small, we can use a small little boat to sail on the river. But if you look at the second picture, the sea is huge and big. So, we require something big to sail on the sea. That's why we have ships sailing on the seas. So we have boats that are small sailing on rivers and ships that are big sailing on the seas. But clouds that sail across the sky are prettier than these. When you look at the blue sky, you see pretty white clouds in the sky. And these clouds slowly move across the sky. So the poet is saying that these clouds that sail across the sky are much prettier than the boats and the ships. Now let's see the next lines. There are bridges on the rivers, as pretty as you please. So here in the picture, you have a bridge across the river. So you can cross the river and move to the other side using the bridge. And the bridge is very pretty. But the bow that bridges heaven. Children, here the word bow is short for rainbow. So, the poet is now talking about the rainbow. And that rainbow bridges heaven. Do you know what is heaven? Yes, heaven is a beautiful place in the sky where God lives. So the rainbow is a bridge through heaven and overtops the trees. So children, you have seen the rainbow. It's so high up in the sky, all above the trees, and builds a road from earth to sky. So the rainbow is building a road from the earth to the sky. Is prettier far than these. So what is the poet telling us? That the prettiest bridge in the world is the rainbow. Isn't it true? Because it's so colorful and so beautiful to watch. I hope you like this poem, children. Now, children, you know that the rainbow has 7 colors. Which are these 7 colors? Let us see them. We have violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Now children, you can see all these 7 colors in the first line. I want you to look around yourself at anything that you see that has these colors and write down those things. Let me give you an example. Let's take the color blue. What is blue around you? The sky. You could also talk about something in your house, like a blue bucket. Okay, children? So you have to complete this activity and note down things of different colors. Now that you know the poem, please answer these questions. The first question, who is the writer of the poem? The answer is Christina Rossetti. The second question, where do the boats sail? Boats are small, children, remember? So where will the small boats sail? I'm giving you 4 answers. You have to tell me which is the right answer. Is it oceans, rivers, sky, or seas? Correct. Boats sail on the rivers. Third question. According to the poet, what is far prettier than boats and ships? Is it rain, rainbow, sky, or clouds? Correct. Clouds are far prettier than boats and ships. Fourth question. Where do the ships sail? Remember, ships are very big. So where will they sail? On seas, in the sky, on the river, or over the bridge? Which is the right answer? Yes, ships will sail on the sea. Fifth question. According to the poet, where are the bridges? On the sea, on the heaven, on the rivers, or on the sky? Where are the bridges, children? Yes, on the rivers. Sixth question. According to the poet, what is far prettier than the bridges on the rivers? So children, what was the prettiest bridge that we studied about? The rainbow. Very well done, children. And I hope you like the poem. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.